Alright, Double Dippers, we are here at Magic Kingdom. The lights are all glared out for some reason, but maybe that makes it look more Christmassy, I don't know. Clearly, I mean, technically I got Halloween on the bottom, but it's Muppets, so it's, I don't know, trans-seasonal. They're filming the Christmas special, I believe, because they have all these fancy lights happening. I don't know what's happening with the focus. I don't know what's happening with my camera. Maybe I've got a smudge on the lens? I don't know. It was weird. But we're gonna go see what the lowdown is. We're on a mission tonight. We have to complete a set of matching Christmas shirts that we started the other day when my mom was in town for our December trip. We're going on a Christmas cruise. Yeah, something's up here. The park is actually fairly empty for there to be like a Christmas special filming, I feel like. I don't know. There's definitely like a part. Oh yeah, there's a big party happening. We saw fireworks launching at like 6 o'clock when we were. Wow, there you go. Yeah, I know I could have signed up for this as a cast member to like be in the audience. But honestly, I didn't know what it was or if it would be worth going to and if we had time. Oh yeah, there's like pyro and everything. Oh yeah, it's all glared out, but it's happening down there. Wow. Yeah, there's all sorts of pyro happening up there. I fixed the lens now, so it should be less glary. I did not bring the tripod tonight, because honestly, I wasn't sure if I was going to film. Oh snap, are they actually here? Was that actually Run DMC? I don't know, if it was, that's pretty awesome. We're gonna see how close we can get. So here's a better look at the stage. I do believe that's actually Run DMC. I'm sorry for the shaky video. I'm zoomed in pretty intensely. That's pretty cool. I wish I would have signed up for it now. It was too late. It's okay, there's always another year. In case you're ever wondering what the Emporium looks like, just a walkthrough on a normal day, at least towards the end of the night, this is it. And this is pretty light. Like, the fact that we're walking, okay, and then we stop, yeah. So it's just walking, stopping, getting stuck behind people. No like they need to tear this whole place down and remodel the crap out of it so it can flow more like World of Disney. Especially that last room, which is where we have to head back to now because they told us that the shirt that we're looking for is in there. It's super cramped. Like they need to tear down that middle wall, place everything against the walls. Like there needs to be nothing in the middle of any room. The obligatory trip to Country Bears. Because this little child is crazy about his bears. By the way, in case you're thinking, oh, it's 60-something degrees, it'll be chilly enough to wear your Spirit jersey. Once you get in this park, the body heat alone, like, shoot, I'm sweating. I mean, obviously I've changed, and I took off the hat because it was just melting my head. So, I don't know how Anna's still doing it over here. He must be sweating. Doing everyone's favorite spinning ride, Magic Carpets of Aladdin. Am I riding? I'll ride in the back. Maybe? Yeah. There we go. Dump us forward. I don't know if I'm in control of that really. It just kind of seems to be doing its own thing. I'm pressing down and it's swaying us back and forth. No, what's happening? Why are we dropping? Don't let the camel spit on us. Oh yeah, he's spitting. Babe, up. Ow! Ow. I said ow. That was your fault. You did that on purpose. Come on, don't you laugh. Mommy's being mean.
It only hits you if you're going down. It didn't shoot that time.
It only shoots every once in a while, I think. Nope, it's shooting. It was just a second ago. Oh, there it goes. Yep. Alright, time to board the merriest cruise that ever set sail. The Jingle cruise. I think these are actual cast members displayed here, because it says from the canteen crew and the dock crew. That's pretty neat. Also, there's like the Order of the Golden Piranha, which is pretty neat. The Rusty Propeller Award. The Backside of Water Award. Okay, now I need all of these. Alright, we gotta go. I love this boat name. Bertha. Or Bertha. I like Bertha better. What's this one? The one in front of it was Yule Log Lolly. Whatever this radio, I mean like the fake radio station is that they're playing, I wish I could have it on my phone. I love this like old-timey Christmas music. We are boarding Fruitcake Zelda.
You're gonna have to let it go, okay? It's been a warm summer. Yeah, on this side is our world famous Jingle box on some Yule logs, and nothing festive about them, but I find them absolutely riveting, so I usually point them out, okay? But we're gonna keep on moving, folks. We're heading on to the Congo River now, and did anybody here ask for the Jungle Book for Christmas? Because coming up here, we have it in 3D. Yep, inbox set. Now, I thought it'd be more of a blue color, but I guess that's just me. And, you know, keeping up with the alliterations. We have the boats and baits and bites up here, and I usually have a ton of friends on the beach, but I can't see anyone right now. Canoe. Yeah, if you'd like to rent from them, you can choose between the regular paddle or the deluxe paddle. See, it's really either or. They don't rent to me anymore, though. Not since the incident. Yeah, no, it's supposed to be a partridge and a pear tree. However, they gave me a python and a bear tree. Either way, the tree had to have a topper. Just pretend he's festive. He's doing his best. On this side, yeah, those are my in-laws. Does anybody know the difference between in-laws and outlaws? Outlaws are wanted, yeah. But at least they got my decent start, and I was trying to get that thing to turn over all morning. They probably got a monkey wrench in that stock. And, yeah, we're going to leave it back there, though, as we find a pretty strong Yule tide onto the Nile River. Now, folks, this is the longest river in Africa, but I'll just tell you it goes on for Nile. And Nile. Named after famous explorer and founder of the Jungle Navigation Company, Dr. Albert Falls. Okay, we're not going to worry about it too much. We'll go over this later, I promise you. Yeah, but, oh my goodness, folks. Yeah, can anybody feel that wonderful, refreshing jingle mist? There's about 100 different kinds of bacteria in there, so that's going to be a one free Disney souvenir, okay? Good luck trying to drink it, and it didn't come with a receipt. I know, at this point, people start questioning how on earth I ever landed my job here in the first place, and to that, I usually say poorly. But it turns out if you land a plane in the right place, yeah, they'll put you straight on a boat. Doesn't that make you feel safe? I know. A down plane usually only means one thing, though, which is a straight trip to our hippo pool. Yeah, now these guys were unironically in charge of our white elephant this year, and my friend Patricia said, what should we get? I'm like, you know we have a lot of water. How about a submarine? Yeah, that's how she managed to cause 20,000 leaks and damages. It's fine. We do have Bertha right here. I guess she's been a little bit under the water lately, but she seems to be feeling better. It's a slight case of hypothermia, you know. But she said you're just going to skip over Black Friday. And I said, well, I'm a skipper. That's what I do. And she just goes, no, you gotta do Black Friday. And that's how we ended up with our Black Friday deal of the season, which is our half-off cruise on the Congo Cape. Yeah, I know. I don't know where the engine went, but you do got chips. Now, these guys are fantastic. Okay, just don't get it. I read that movie somewhere. Yeah, on this side, though, we do have a world-famous margarine flies, and I know what you're thinking. Hey, Skipper, I can't believe they're not butterflies. Now, the difference is, okay, butterflies can fly, And monitored flight can run up to speeds of 30 miles per hour. It makes the fastest land mammal. But speaking of running, folks, we have running water coming up right here to serve the amazing and the spectacular. It is the holliest and jolliest, folks. It is a true Boxing Day miracle. Everybody give it up for the eighth wonder of the world. You'd be surprised what the squirrels find in your strollers. Now, I know that the sign does say Trader Sam will be back in about 15 minutes, but trust me, he is definitely at the Polynesian. So if you would like a hat, ask any skipper. Okay, we're all fantastic at capsizing. But as we're here, folks, we'll wait back here for just a few seconds. Got some monkeys and an elephant. You know, another fun fact about elephants, they have the best memory in the jungle. I wish I remember like that would really help me with my job.
They have a tiki room themed photo op for Christmas. It's a bit of a line. We'll be back another night though. Definitely looking forward to that one. We've done quite a few of them the other day. We did the one over by Stitch, that was really cool, and the one in the hub. Alright, Double Dippers, that's going to do it for today's video. It is another day, so you'll see this grant in the next video. But I forgot to do a wrap up on the last one. I'd just like to say, I got further confirmation from a friend of what exactly went down at the holiday filming party. So it was cast members only. So no regular day guests were allowed. Like you could watch from the sides, kind of like we were, but you couldn't sit in the seats and be like a part of the audience unless you're a cast member. So that's pretty neat. There wasn't many seats at all, like probably 40 or so. Very small audience. But a friend of mine was there. They said it was both the filming for the Thanksgiving party, or the Thanksgiving special, and the Christmas special. So they filmed both Black Eyed Peas, who apparently premiered a new song, and Run DMC that we heard when we walked in. So very cool. I believe Black Eyed Peas is actually who I saw when I zoomed in on the stage, but I'm not familiar with the last picture I saw of Run DMC was from like their album cover in the 80s, so like I don't know what modern Run DMC looks like, and I also have never seen Black Eyed Peas, so I couldn't tell you that, but I'll leave that up to you. With all that being said, I hope you enjoyed, and we will see you in the next video.